In order to pass CFA level 1, they say that you should study for 300 to 350 hours on an average, do each and every question of the candidate resource, and possibly read the entire curriculum. Now, pretty much everybody in the world does this, and still, historically, the pass percentage has usually been below 50%. That means majority of the world is still failing. Does that mean the template is wrong? Absolutely not. The template is completely right, but the template is generic. That means it doesn't fit all. Based on somebody's personality, situation in life, prior background, study style, etc., that template should change. There are people who do very well with just the 300 hours. There are people who need 500 hours. There are people who just crack their CFA in 2 months also. There are people who need to read the curriculum very well. There are people who do very well with Shweza. There are people who cannot sustain without classes. There are people who can do very well without classes. And you know what? There are also people who just sit and procrastinate because they do not know what to do, how to start, how to go day on day. Okay, today I did this, but what about tomorrow? I completed quants, and then by the time I reached fixed income, I forgot quants. How do I retain 90 plus topics? I get it. And that's where I come into the picture, because I provide you a customized CFA study plan that is completely tailor made for you, based on your situation, based on your personality, based on something that will work for you and bridge the pain points of the CFA level 1 exam. Yes, it comes at a cost. I understand it's not easy for everybody, but it is worth it, because like I said, it gives you daily guidance. It gives you a complete detailed roadmap. I tell you, this is what you have to do. You do not need to think that decision making fatigue is completely out of the picture. Daily accountability. I literally personally nag you every single day, asking you how much is done, what is done. If something's not working, we pivot. And the most important thing, the plan is adaptable. That means if something is not working, we do not wait for it to crash and then cry. We immediately change the plan. And if you are interested in getting a plan from me, comment down plan and I'll send you the link for details.